such a nice day, and I've got a few minutes before I gotta work, so I'm gonna go take the four-wheeler for a spin and get on the plow really quick though. Holy crap. Pretty sure that's not a good thing. I better get a hold of somebody. I don't know what to do. Guess I'll call the city. Crazy. I just called 911 and they're sending someone out to look at it. I don't know what's gonna happen. This is nuts. I just hope nobody's driving by when this thing goes. This is crazy. I'm gonna go over on the other side and take a look at it. It just keeps getting bigger and bigger where the water's going in, and you can see it's taking away some of the road or the debris as well. This is crazy. I'm gonna stay out here and watch for cars. Sent a guy out and I just talked to him. He's gonna close the road down, and I asked if there was anything I could do to help. He said just he said he's gonna drill some hole signs into the road and or closing it, and if I see anybody move them or take them down to put them back up. They're not gonna fix it anytime soon, so crazy. I was out watching it while I waited for the county guy to get here, and a big truck drove by over it, and a big chunk of embankment just dropped right off. It's kind of scary. So he said in the next little bit the road's gonna be washed away.